What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is Matt or Snussycopen here, back for another video. Now, I was going to post this video yesterday. I was actually going to record it, but I got caught up in doing stuff at work with snow and all that other stuff, and I'm actually on my way back into work now. But we had a request from P71 to do a video on the Crown Vic. These videos are all in good fun, so if you own a Crown Vic, don't get offended by anything in this video. This is just me joking around, also telling facts, stating specs, giving exhaust clips, burnouts, all sorts of other details, and my personal thoughts on the Crown Vic. So if you do own one, don't get butthurt. So without further ado, let's get freaking started. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. Alright, now that I am done with work for a little bit, we are going to get back into this video. So the Crown Vic, first year of being produced was in 1991, and then it went all the way to 2011. So the model years were technically 92 to 2012. Now, the most common thing with a Crown Vic, when people think about a Crown Vic, is they think of cop car, immediately. That's what I think. I think that whenever I think of a Crown Vic, I think of a police car. So if there's one vehicle out there that you can have that has a V8, has 4 doors, is relatively cheap, and you can piss off almost every single person that sees you, buy an undercover cop car with 120,000 miles for dirt cheap, and everybody will slow down when they get near you. Everybody will be like, what the hell? Especially if you still have the spotlight mounted on the side. So like I said, the cool thing about the Crown Vic is that it did come with the 4.6 liter V8 in it, which was freaking awesome. It came with 224 horsepower, 270 foot-pounds of torque, that's relatively decent numbers. The only problem is that they weighed more than obviously a Mustang or anything like that. I'll throw the actual weight in here in a second. So the technical curb weight was around 4,100 pounds, which is pretty heavy for a car, but you gotta keep in mind, the Crown Vics, they were meant to obviously have the purpose of being a cop car and even a larger family vehicle. So the Crown Vic was, in essence, it was a boat. It really was. It was a big car. Check this out though on my way home. I love snow. Not crazy fast, but quick enough to get the job done. The Crown Victoria was really good on the high end. They had a 0 to 60 in about 8.5 seconds in a quarter-mile time of about 16.4. Now, that's not to say that you can't modify it, just like every other vehicle. Every single vehicle can be modified to make faster or whatever. But, when you sit down and you think about it, there are guys that have built Crown Vics. Look at Cletus. A lot of you guys know Cletus McFarland, and he's got his Crown Vic on his channel. I'll throw in a clip of his here in a second.
Oh, you got one going. Hold it. Hold it. Yes. Yes. All right. Hell yeah, brother. Oh my gosh.
So as I was saying, where you can get a Crown Vic for relatively cheap, here are 3 just in my local area that are under $2,000 that still have the police spotlight on them and everything. So to conclude this video, we are going to throw in a bunch of different clips and all sorts of stuff with the Crown Vic. Overall, I think the Crown Vic was an awesome car. I think that's why they used it as a police car for so long. Now, obviously, Ford came out with the Police Interceptor, which is a twin-turbo freaking animal. They are freaking awesome. So enjoy the rest of the clips, guys. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Click the notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subs. Give me your recommendations for more video ideas of what you guys want to see next. Till next time, see you.